What's up, guys? Just got out here, having problems with my camera turning it on, but we got one. Nice bass here at Pleasant. Been out here about 20 minutes, just kind of fiddling around with stuff. Uh, got him on a deep diving jerkbait, but it was I was trolling it because I got bit back there when I was reeling in. So I figured I'm just gonna troll it. They were kind of down about 20 feet. This thing gets about 10, so, or I mean, sorry, about 15. So supposed to be meeting somebody out here, but they're at over at the 4-lane ramp, 6-lane ramp, whatever. I told him north ramp, but guess he didn't know. But I'm on him, so. All right, guys. So we got on that one. I lost one early. I was reeling up my jerk bait, and he hit it at the kayak. Fought him for a second. He got off. It was still kind of dark. I got here kind of early. I was here at 6. About to meet up with John Michel. He's at the 4-lane ramp. I launched at North Cove or North Ramp. I thought he was gonna. That's what I told him. So he ended up over there. I don't know. He thought that was North Ramp. So anyway, he's kind of headed my way. I'm headed his. I'm right here at the dam, as you can see. As you can see, there's the dam there. That damn dam. And I'm trolling a Strike King 10XD. See, I got some right now at 40. I got a nice school. They go up from 20 down to 40. It's a nice school of fish right there. All the way down to 50. I don't think this thing is getting down far enough, but you know, it's all I got. I should turn around and spoon those fish, but as windy as it is, chances are by the time I get back and turn around, I won't find them. I think they're pretty much just on the move. So I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. Finally made some tamales yesterday. So this morning in the bathroom, it was horrible. It was like a horror film in there. but you know, I haven't been out in a couple weeks, and I was gonna go to Bartlett and chase some crappie. John Michel called or texted me and said, "Hey man, I want to meet up at Pleasant." I was like, I guess I can chase some stripers. But so far only one. It's still pretty early. I don't even think it's 8 o'clock yet. It's probably like 7:30-ish, 7:40, almost 8. Probably almost 8. So we're gonna keep on trolling until we at least maybe can see them or something, or maybe I see something a little better on my graph. That was a really nice school, and I mean, it might have just been suspended, but I'm hoping to get on one. Dude. I should be able to hook into a fish here. You got one on, baby. You got one on. Oh no! No! Oh! Oh! Oh, that was a nice one. God. fish on. Feels pretty decent. He was right behind, right now, just about to turn around and drop shot those fish. I saw him. Oh, it's a bass. Nice one. On the double A rig. Oh, it's a really nice one. Oh, it's a double. Oh, it's a double. Oh, I lost a big one. No, I had two. Oh, I had a freaking 4-pounder in this guy, huh? No. Oh, dude. Man. I had a freaking 4-pounder on with him. God. I messed up on my net job. I got all excited. I'm shaking. Oh, first double up, dude. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Pretty awesome though. I was just turning so that and reeling in so that I could freaking drop shot those bass. I seen them. Wasn't a lot of them, but they were there. They were up on a big hill. It was a big hill or a big hump. Oh, ooh.